Hey everyone! Today we're building KNN from scratch in Python, then comparing it to Scikit-Learn. KNN is one of the simplest ML algorithms. It looks at the k nearest neighbors to a point and uses them to make predictions. It's intuitive, powerful, and perfect for understanding how classification really works under the hood. Let's walk through the KNN flow. First, you take your new point that needs classification. Then you calculate the distance from this point to every single point in your training data. Next, you sort those distances, grab the k closest neighbors, and let them vote. Whichever label appears most among those k neighbors wins. That's your prediction. Here are the key concepts. We use Euclidean distance to measure closeness, think Pythagorean theorem. The k parameter controls how many neighbors vote, and the majority class wins. The cool thing is there's no training phase. KNN just memorizes the data and does all the work when you ask for a prediction. It's called a lazy learner for that reason. Now let's code it. We have 6 training points, 3 labeled 0, 3 labeled 1. Our KNN_predict function calculates distances using numpy's lineout.norm, sorts them, grabs the k nearest neighbors, and finds the most common label. When we test with point 2, 2, and k equals 3, it predicts class 0 because the 3 nearest neighbors are all class 0. Simple and effective. Here's the same thing using Scikit-Learn, just 3 lines. Create the model, fit it to your data, and predict. It does exactly what our from scratch version does, but optimized and production ready. So to sum it up, KNN finds nearby points and lets them vote. Building it from scratch teaches you the fundamentals, and Scikit-Learn gives you the power tool. Now you know both approaches, go build something awesome. That's a wrap on this one. If this video helped you understand the concept, please hit that like button, it really helps the channel grow. Subscribe so you never miss a new video, and drop your questions in the comments below. Share this with a friend who's learning, and I'll see you in the next one.